Hello everyone, today I would like to show you my upgrade M2 PCIe Gen 3 4 times speed. It 512 gig. That's plenty of space to store most of the thing, PC software or other game or something file. And yeah, it's good price, you know. You can spend less, but you get double or twice storage compared to the Samsung 970 Evo Plus or something. This is around $90 for the price for the local store in my country, but the price can be different based on your location. And this is good because this is the last generation with the read-write speed is amazing. And you can see back here, read up to 3.5 gig and write up to 3 gig. That's amazing. That's super fast. You can't imagine about this. And now I would like to unbox it and show you. Wait a little bit. And in here, this is RGB, but honestly, I'm not a really big fan of RGB. But because of the performance speed, I decided to choose this one. Yeah, it's good. And you can see, very small. This is the warranty or something from the local store. And this is the heatsink. It's still good, better than just the PCB chip. And I will replace my existing one in here. It 256 gig with the same gen, but the one in my PC, it was about 6 months ago, and the read-write speed is about half this one. So I would like to upgrade to double storage with double speed. So let's see what's going on with the speed for this new one. Thank you.